Hi, everybody. It's Mark Rushton, markrushton.com. It is Sunday, July 6th, 2025. And I got, going to do a little upgrade here. It's very rare that you have to upgrade a typewriter. I'm going to upgrade the typewriter. So what I was doing was, okay, for first of all, July 19th, XBK Annex in Des Moines, Iowa, Saturday evening, around 7 p.m. Have a little ambient concert there. It's free. It's a small place. It's free, and what I want to do is I want to have a bunch of swag to give away. And sadly, I have a bunch of discs here that only play in the computer. You can't play them in like a car stereo. These you can play in the car stereo. And these you can play. I've gone and checked them, but I have a big pile over here that's just computer only. So, if you want to take a disc that you can, what do you call that? Where you put it on the computer and you rip it. You rip it, ripped from the headlines. These you can play in a car. So these are just these fun little variations that I made. That looks kind of cooked there, but that, and then I've got some others here that I need to type out. That one I printed on the wrong side. See, they're giveaways, so they don't have to be any more than that. Just fun little things that I made of my music. It's a little ambient mix. So I wanted to type some things out with the typewriter, and I've had this typewriter since, I can't remember, 2012, 2013. I bought it for $50 on Craigslist. I got it in Mount Vernon, Iowa, just north of Iowa City where I was living at the time. And the thing is mint, literally mint condition. It's got the cover, it's got all the brushes and the paperwork over in the cover, but I've used it infrequently over the years. It's fun to have around. It is portable, but it's a little heavy. And I was going to go and do some more things like this recently. Actually, they were going to be here on the zine, and only the red worked. The black was dried out, and I spun the reel, and so I'm just going to pull this off here. I'm just going to show you what we got. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Is that clean? Is that more or less clean? You know what I got here? One thing that I always kind of keep around, I keep paper towels for my art projects. The other thing I keep are baby wipes. The only reason to go to Costco, the cheap baby wipes. So I work with ink here, and sometimes you gotta. Normally I keep this under the cover, but last few days here it's been out in the open, and it's pretty clean. Pretty clean. People buy these things and then just never use them, So it's time to change the ribbon. Now I bought this one from, where did I buy this from? Ribbons Unlimited. And boy, they got it to me super fast. I couldn't believe it. And they sent me like super nice emails. They're very appreciative of the business. And got a little stuff there. I'll deal with that box later. What's this say on here? It's kind of a nice little unboxing here. We help the typewriter collectors community with ribbons for their vintage machines. We hope our handmade typewriter ribbons provides an amazing typing experience and recreates fond memories. As Tom Hanks said, it's a black, red, nylon plastic ribbon. They also have cotton and silk, but I just need nylon's fine. So there it is. Ribbons Unlimited. Let's see what we got here in the little bag. Well, look at that. It's like a little, that kind of looks like the old one, except this is metal. That's plastic. But that's, you know, that's how we go. Get the plastic world. Whoa. Now let's see. How do I do this? Which side has the ink? Maybe both of them? Something like that? Is it like that? I don't know. No instructions here. So let's go and pop this up. Pop this one up here, and then it just kind of threads up, down, and then up again. Okay, so there. All right. I think I got that figured out. There's a little bit of ancient dust in here. A little bit of gunk, not much. But yeah, the only upgrade I've had to do on this thing, and the entire time it worked right out of the box. When I bought it, typed a couple keys, and as you can see here, this all looks very good. There's no bent keys or anything like that. It's been not bad. Not bad. Okay. All right, let's see if I can manage to do this here. All right, let's put this in here first. Let's only mess with one side at a time. There we go. And then I remember seeing it go down in between there, and then up, and then down. Oh wait, we are backwards. Gosh, you dummy. You are dumb, Rushton. So we want to be, black should be on top. Red should be on the bottom. So it's like, like that? It's like that? I think it's like this. Okay. See, I always do things wrong. Always do things wrong. Backwards, Rushton. All right, so what do we got here? All right, let's do it like this. All right. Top part is black. Bottom part is red. I suppose I could probably switch that with the settings, but let's not confuse people. All right. Thread that in there. And then up there like that, and there we go. I always forget how you turn the... Ooh, hold on here. Again. Clean up the mess here on aisle N. My hands. Probably should have worn the nitrile gloves, you know. Get your hands dirty here in the old world. That. There's a little bit of ink there. All right, let's see what's going on here. We got a little bit more here. Is that right? Oh, that's wrong. Did I set that wrong? Ooh, is it locked? Oh, now what do I do? What did I do? I did something wrong there. I can't. it's locked. Let's go put this on here. It's like it's locked. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Put that over here. Type here. So you go backwards here. Go in the correct direction. But I'm not getting... There we go. Now we were one off here, so there's like 4 different levels. And the red would be down here, so red's like that. Okay. Looks good. Where's my... There we go. Wow, I think we're good there. I think we're good. Seems to be. My hands here. I think I did it. Wow. That's pretty easy. Now, real quick, before we leave here, what I want to be able to do is take one of these here. These are one of my CD sleeves. Let's put that over there. We're just going to do that's a little on the bold side, but I think that works. I think the other one was just so, it was just so depleted that I was used to it being a little bit more faint. This is different. This is thermal ribbon printing process, but I'll apply some ink wash on here, and I'll make some more of these. I'll probably make more things that look like that, because the concert's in Des Moines, and that's a little bit of the downtown landscape of Des Moines. So yeah, my there we go. Yeah, July 19th, Saturday, July 19th. Starts around 7 o'clock at XBK Annex, and a little ambient chill out evening, and just a little, go out on my website, markrushton.com, sign up for my free weekly post and alerts. Things are going on there. I don't know what I'm going to do with this here. I'll figure it out. Probably throw it away. That's kind of a bummer, though. I don't know. Throw that away. Would you want to throw that away? That's a good ribbon. That's a good, maybe the spool still can be used for something. I should mail it back to him. Here, I'll mail you back a metal spool. I don't have that plastic spools. Anyway, love the Hermes 3000. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this typewriter, just because it's so much fun. I mean, look at that. Look how minty that is. This is just. Remember when we had color? Remember we had color in things? Like today, I look around at the cars driving down the street, and they either look like stormtroopers or Darth Vader, right? And like you rarely see a car like this, or like that, or you know, like this. You don't just where'd the color go in our lives? Just even red anymore. You don't. Where did the color go? The blue. Is it so? Do we need to fit in so much that we must? I don't know. Anyway, this is getting too long, but thanks for hanging out. Talk to you later.